Do you know the most expensive Rubik's Cube is $2.5 million? The Rubik's Cube is one of the world's most popular puzzle games, and as a result, many art pieces have been inspired by it. While many artists have concentrated on painting the Rubik's Cube, others have constructed actual models of it using expensive materials. Building expensive cubes is done for a variety of reasons, including publicity and setting world records. Many collectors purchase these high-priced cubes for their personal collections or as gifts for loved ones. In this video, we take a look at the most expensive Rubik's Cube that have ever been created. The Masterpiece Cube. It was created in 1995 by Diamond Cutters International to commemorate the 15th anniversary of the puzzle becoming popular internationally. It is estimated to be valued at a staggering $2.5 million, and is a part of the Beyond Rubik's Cube exhibition. The cube is crafted from a combination of amethyst, emeralds, and rubies, all set in 18-karat gold. As this cube is made from jewels and precious stones, it is important to handle it with care. Though it can be solved like any other regular cube, rough handling may cause damage to this bejeweled Rubik's Cube. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this cube? Video shows, Fred Cuellar of Diamond Cutters International presents the Masterpiece Cube to Erno Rubik at the inaugural Liberty Science Center Genius Gala. The Masterpiece Cube was part of the Beyond Rubik's Cube exhibition and it toured globally for 7 years.
Fred and his company, Diamond Cutters International, generously lending the cube to us for the...
If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.